guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about the insurance. What is insurance? Underneath is the practice of obtaining insurance cover a specific geographic area responsibly because of the likelihood of loss due to legal motivation involved discrimination. Racial property intervening has a long history. The property insurance industry from the United States. From a review of the industry underwriting and marketing materials across the comment areas of the government agency, industry and economic groups and academic is quite and community on the effect policy practice of the insurance industry. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission FTC laws are representing the result of this study concerning credit-based insurance records and automobile insurance. The study found that effective practices of rates. It also saw the African Americans have happiness are substantially coverage in the lowest credit score, also leading further in the highest, while Caucasian and are more evenly spread across the score. The credit score will also found the predict the rates of the earning growth. Leading the FTC to include the worsening score models are those specific for earning. The FTC includes little data was available to evaluate benefit of business score to customers. The report was developed by the Office of the Insurance Federation of America, the National Fair Housing Alliance, the National Consumer Law Center, and the Center of the Economic Justice for Liens on the profit by the insurance industry. Also, the provision of the day right is regulation law to day practice. The private also discrimination often contradicting in setting rules to making insurance available. In determining premium and premium rate structure, insurance consider affordable factor considerations, credit score, tender operation, material status, and education level. However, the use of those factors is often considered to be unfair or discrimination on the relation against the practice has in some instances. Political discourse about the wage in the wage is to determine premium and regulatory information to limit the factor use. And insurance underwriter is job and follow on the key phrase on the legal that loss will assert. Any factor that is called as greater likelihood of loss of the theoretical be charged by the rate. The basis increase of the insurance must be followed of the insurance. Coming out the negative on solve one, this discrimination does against unequal treatment of potential insurance in dress evaluation and premium setting process of initial review product of the fundamental of insurance underwriting. For insurance against shareholder people significant higher premium than the charge younger people from their life insurance. Other people are those relatively different from younger people. Discrimination is much discrimination also. The rationale for the treatment goes to the heart of the race. The life insurance tax older people are likely to do sooner than young people, so the rise of the law for the insurance together in any effort of the time and therefore the rise premium must be higher to cover the greater rise. However, studying insurance different beyond the naturally sound reason for the is not the discrimination. New insurance product cannot be protected from coming with abusive method function in the United States. A recent example of a new insurance product is a patient abuses based auto insurance. Ironically, defined as the indemnity first recommend the amateur US auto insurance company. An independent investor are the favor of granting of the insurance product since to give protection from the company. When they bring the new insurance product into market, independent investors accounting 70% of the new US election application for this area. Many insurance attention are given to operating insurance project because it requires a new rates for them. The Harvard Insurance Company, for example, has to pay $80 million on the independent investor income service in order to settle abundant information on their after class lawsuit for a type of coverage of the life insurance product if the payment in Bangkok. There are currently about 150 new patents application of insurance investment federal and Indonesia on the road of the insurance study from ENCC in the 22 in the 2000. Okay guys, this is this discussion about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time.